all of you. A heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, welcome all of you, and sir, a warm welcome to you. We are very grateful that you see our videos, you leave your comments there, and you do write in your suggestions. For that, thank you very much. We also would like to thank you for viewing sir's D10 videos. We are nearly on the point of crossing 1 lakh videos there, 1 lakh views, which we have already crossed in the D10 Hindi. Thank you once again for making it such a big success. Uh, Sir, thank you. And sir, what are we going to talk about today, sir?
No, I think we are holding next webinar
Right.
on D7,
Yes, sir.
that is children.
Right.
So we talk about children only, something.
Right, sir. Okay, sir.
And maybe which is not available in my book.
Yes. So before we move forward, we would like to tell you that the webinar is on 2nd of May for the English version. We will be holding it in the morning 10 to 8 and for 10 to 12, and for the Hindi version it is in the evening 6 to 8. Also, as soon as the lockdown gets over, we have the list of people who have enrolled or who are enrolling, and we will be sending you a book of Saptamsha written by Sir. So today Sir is going to share a pearl that he hasn't shared in his book.
Yeah, because many times, or many, why many a times, always new ideas keep on coming from the questions
Right, sir.
of our students and friends.
Hmm.
So from there, we get new ideas and try to analyze them
Right.
astrologically.
Right, sir.
So one of such idea we are taking today.
Great. Thank you.
Firstly, let me make you clear that what is D7.
Right.
D7 is constructed from your birth chart.
Valid. Very well.
It is your D7.
Hmm.
It is not the chart of your children. It is
Got you.
your chart for your children.
Right, sir.
Means how and what you will gain or lose
Hmm.
with your children. Like marriage chart D9
Hmm.
is the chart of your marriage.
Hmm.
It is the chart of your marriage,
Hmm.
not your husband's or wife's marriage.
Right.
Their marriage can be different, your marriage can be different. Yes,
Yes.
I can have 3 marriages, 3 wives. So the wife's marriage chart will be different. My chart will show 3 marriages.
Sir, and I just want to ask you one point before we, and it can be a deviating point, but it is an interesting aspect for our viewers. Does it show? Does the chart show for the husband show 3 marriages? Will it show 3 marriages?
No, if she has 3 husbands,
Yes,
then
sir.
her chart will show.
Right. That is what I wanted to ask.
Yes,
Right, sir.
her chart will show that she will have
Right, sir.
3 husbands.
Right, sir.
What the point I am trying to say that the mother chart is your birth horoscope,
Right.
and whichever divisional chart you erect,
Right, sir.
you consider your that relation or profession from that chart for you.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
It is your D7,
Hmm.
right?
Right.
So whatever you gain or lose from your children is seen from there.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Right.
So today we are trying to talk about the permanency of happiness from my children.
Um, Very beautiful topic and something that everybody wants to know and understand.
But one thing I may tell you, add here,
Sir.
please do not apply it blindly.
It's a disclaimer.
Yeah, because if you see something bad, you will start maltreating your children. And if you see that they are not going to look after me, you are putting the seed right now.
Right.
And you are growing it.
Right.
You cannot be perfect here.
Yeah.
So don't grow the seed of discord after watching this video.
Hmm.
Analyze it carefully.
Hmm.
Apply the rule just in words as given. Don't twist your results.
Yes. Very important.
Now we see, with this forewarning, I am taking up with this subject. I don't want to ruin somebody's family life.
Very true, sir. Right.
See, the house of happiness is fourth house,
Right.
and the planet of permanency
Hmm.
is Mars.
Right.
Mars is the planet and fourth house of D7.
Hmm.
So in D7, we check their mutual placement
Hmm.
from each other.
Hmm.
If Mars is in Trik 6, 8, 12 from fourth house,
From fourth house.
or from Mars,
Hmm.
the fourth house is in Trik. There is
Right.
a difference between them. So that will show some problem. And malefic aspect on fourth house
Hmm.
will reduce the happiness.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Right, sir.
So that way we will check it.
Right. As we move ahead with an example, I'd like to tell all of you that Sir has a very beautiful website where there are a number of videos available. You can go and see those videos there. Saral Jyotish is the name of the website. And since we get a lot of uh, requests for us so that they can contact Sir or can meet Sir and get their readings done from Sir, we are sorry to tell you that Sir does not take up personal readings. Please do excuse us on that level.
No, I also want to say, firstly, teaching and making predictions are two different aspects. Some people who has not read at all, they make beautiful predictions. What I like most is writing, analyzing the astrological dictums written by sages and making them simple or subtle for everybody to learn it, all the lovers of astrology. So I am doing that work nowadays because this type of writing, it's not a copy paste writing which I am doing. For this type of writing, you need to concentrate.
Right.
And I am not able to write more than 2 pages. 2 is maximum. Someday, if I write 2 pages, I am very happy.
Right.
So it is very difficult. And I am planning to write at least 600-700 pages book
And
covering all the simple topics. Like I had done
Upache House also, sir. Upache House and Kendradipati Dosh and things.
Kendradipati Dosh. I have done, completed that chapter.
Yes.
Kendradipati Dosh. Now I am doing Kal Hora
Right, sir.
these days.
Okay.
Okay. So for that, I will excuse that I am, in my sense, I am doing a better work than consultancy by writing these things.
Yeah, so you're leaving a legacy behind for so many to follow and so many to read. Yes.
And I want to add that if you have queries, please contact other learned astrologers. We have so many good astrologers like Anuradha ji, Nimmi ji. Nimmi is also doing good predictions. And one thing why I recommend them, because they are deeply understanding the small nuisance of astrology. And in case they have a technical problem, because they don't trouble me beyond 5 minutes, so they ask me about technical problems, that this is the problem, how to do it. If I know, I tell them. Otherwise, if I do a direct prediction, it will start from when I will get married. Next question will be, is my wife going to be Gori or Kali? Which family she will come? Will my marriage will be happy or not? Will we have children? Then he will come, how is my parents? Next question will come, when I will change the job or better life or new job. So this is an unending process. So select your questions so that astrologer is not a machine
No.
or a computer machine. He has to, you don't know how much effort each prediction takes.
Exactly. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much
Yes.
for getting it very clear to people here. And thank you, all of you, for listening to sir. And we hope that you will come to us accordingly. With this, as we are sir's student, very much like children, we move ahead with the child chart of a person, which shows the sukha or happiness of child. So we've taken Amitabh Bachchan's chart here.
Yeah, you can.
D7.
Okay, D7. So what we had discussed, fourth house is the house of happiness and Mars is the Karak of happiness.
Right.
Now you see, Mars is in Kendra from fourth house, or you can say both are in Kendra to each other.
Right.
And Mars has become very strong.
Right.
Because it is with Sun,
Hmm.
a friend and a dispositor of Mars.
Hmm.
So the permanency of happiness from children, whether he will give happiness to them or not, it is not the question.
Whether he will get
He
happiness.
will get, that is the question.
Right.
Now here, another good thing in his chart is Mars is aspecting Lagna.
Yes.
Any chart, when Mars aspects Lagna, see, Mars is physical strength, logical strength. So that gives great strength to that chart.
Right.
Whichever chart Mars is aspecting the Lagna,
Right.
it gives extra strength to that chart. Like in D27,
Right, sir.
I have written that whenever Mars is aspecting the Lagna of D27,
Hmm.
the person will have a good physique, good strength,
Right.
body strength.
Right.
Like in the chart of Cassius Clay. I have given that example.
Right.
Mars is aspecting. So any chart. So this is an extra bonus point.
Right, sir.
In D10, he will get good physical strength to work hard. Tamsha is a chart which shows many things. I am talking of permanency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So here we see that the Amitabh Bachchan has a lot of happiness from children because Mars is sitting in fourth house, from the fourth house of Sukha Bhava, or the happiness house of happiness,
Yes.
and it is also aspecting the Lagna, the fourth
And
house,
Jupiter is aspecting
the fourth house.
fourth house. Saturn is aspecting fourth house. Saturn is Lagna Lord.
Right.
See, the main thing, how much happiness is not the matter. It is permanency of happiness
Right.
till the end.
Right.
Okay.
Right, sir. A very beautiful point that you will not even find in Sir's book, as Sir stated earlier. Permanency of happiness for any chart, how to see it, Mars, the Karaka of permanence, and finally, if Mars aspects the Lagna in any chart, it gives you the physical strength, stamina to sustain that chart. Do join
Okay.
us. Yes, sir. Very beautiful, sir. Do join us for our webinar on the 2nd of March, 2nd of May, and it is a Saturday. For the English webinar, we have it in the morning, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And for the Hindi webinar, register for the evening, that is from 6 to 8. Till we meet you again, please stay home, please stay safe.
Thank you.